You start share screen on your PlayStation 5, but your friend only sees a black screen, constant buffering, or the feature fails before it even starts. Sometimes the option appears normally, yet the session disconnects seconds later without notice. Most of the time, this happens because of unstable internet speed, account privacy settings, outdated system software, or temporary PlayStation network communication problems rather than a broken console. Even a small network interruption can stop share screen from functioning correctly. Before assuming your PS5 feature is permanently broken, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get share screen working smoothly again. 1. Restart the PS5 completely to refresh network services. 2. Test your internet connection speed from PS5 network settings. 3. Make sure both players are signed into PlayStation Network properly. Update the PS5 system software to the latest version available. 5. Check privacy and sharing permissions on your PlayStation account. 6. Close any running games or apps before starting share screen again. 7. Retry the share screen session after reconnecting to the network.